Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Samuel Beckett and his work, and after that we take a quiz. So let's start. This is Samuel Beckett and his pen name is Andrew Bellis. Beckett born on the 13 April 1906, Foxrock, Dublin in Ireland. So died in the 22nd December 1989 in Paris at the age of 83. Belonged to period 1906 to 1989. So mostly his period divided into three categories. So first divided into early his work to 1945 and the end of the World War II. So second period, middle period started 1945 to early 1960, and the third period started early 1962 until Beckett's death. So mostly divided into three parts. So occupation: novelist, playwright, poet, theatre director, essayist, literary translator also. Language: English and French. Nationality: Irish. Education: Portora Royal School and the Trinity College of Dublin. Belong to genre: drama, fiction, poetry, screenplays, and personal correspondence. So started his literary career with the writing of the short stories and the novels. First short story, More Pricks Than Kicks, in 1934. So first work, Murphy. Murphy is Beckett's first novel, published during 1938 when he was just 32 years old. And Murphy's most important work, and this is type of avant-garde, and this is a third prose work of Beckett. So in this work he escapes from a girl he is about to marry, and takes up with the kind of prostitute and find a job as a nurse in an asylum where he plays non-confrontational and chess. Next, Beckett's trilogy of the novels. Trilogy of three novels. Molly, published in 1951, and Melon Dies also comes in 1951, and Unnamable 1953. This is the trilogy of Beckett's work. Malloy, first written in French and after that published in English. In the Moran is a private detective. Moran is the other character, Moran. And Molly's mother is also important, who never seen alive in this work. So next, Melon Dies. Melon Dies comes published during 1951. So in this, Malon is an old man. Malon Dies, first published in French also and published in after that English, and established his reputation as an influential avant-garde writer. Next, Waiting for Godot, defined as nothing happened, nobody comes, nobody goes. Originally written in the French and premiered in the Paris Theatre 5th January 1953. This play established Beckett as a leading figure of theatre of absurd drama, using the abandonment of the conventional dramatic form to portray of the vitality of human struggle in the senseless world. Theatre of absurd, this term coined by the Martin Aslane. So Beckett was awarded with Nobel Prize in Literature 1969 for his effortless writing. Next, theatre work. Waiting for Godot 1953, most important work. Act Without Words, first and second, comes during 1956. Happy Days 1961. Endgame comes 1957, and Crab's Last Tape, published 1958. Notable novels: Dream of Pair to Middling Woman comes in 1932 but never published, and after published his death 1992. First novel wrote in the 1932 but after many rejection from the publishers, published during 1992. What 1945? Same, published 1953 due to some rejections. So How It Is What 1961. Next notable awards: Croix de Guerra Award 1945 for his effortless work in the 1945 in the World War II. So Nobel Prize in Literature 1969 for writing new form of novel and drama. Next, he was elected scholar in the modern languages in the 1926. Beckett's close relationship with Joyce and his family also. So years active 1929 to 1989. During these years, he wrote many works. Waiting for Godot 1953. Main character Vladimir, short name Didi, and Astragon named Gogo. Didi and Gogo. Same, they call the same this name. Subtitle of Waiting for Godot: a tragicomedy in 2 acts. So Murphy comes 1938. First question is, when was Samuel Beckett born? Options: 1st January 1901, 13 April 1906, 2nd August 1904, 5th October 1905. Correct answer is 13 April 1906. Option B. Next, when was Samuel Beckett died? Options: December 1981, December 1989, December 1991, December 1980. Correct answer is 1989. So option B is correct. Next, in which year was Beckett awarded the Nobel Prize of Literature? Options are 1971, 1969, 1978, 1967. So correct answer is 1969. Next, Nell is a character from which work of Beckett? Options: Endgame, Malloy, Melendez, what? Next question answer: Endgame. Next, there are how many total characters in Endgame? Options: 4 characters, 5 characters, 6 characters, 3 characters. So correct answer is 4 characters. Next, when was Melendez published? Options: 1951, 1952, 56, 1851. So correct answer is 1951. Next, which of the following is not written by Samuel Beckett? Options: The Caretaker, What, Crab's Last Tape, How It Is. So correct answer is Caretaker. Caretaker is not written by Samuel Beckett. It is written by Harold Pinter. Next, Nothing is More Real Than Nothing. Which of Samuel Beckett's novel contains these 4 lines? Options are Melendez, More Pricks Than Kicks, The Lost Ones, The Unnameable. So correct answer is Melendez. Next, shortly after World War II was over, Beckett began to write on a trilogy of fiction. Which of these works does not belong to that trilogy? Options: Melon, Unnameable, Melendez, How It Is. So correct answer is How It Is, not a trilogy work. Next, Beckett's dramatic works inspired critics to invent a new label, the Theatre of the Absurd. Who published a book with the same name and was the leading theorist to the Theatre of the Absurd? Option: Barlays S. Fletcher, A.R. Daniel, Ronald Heyman, and Martin Aslin. So correct answer is Martin Aslin, who coined the term. Next, Waiting for Godot is probably the most famous of Beckett's plays. Which of these characters does not appear in this play? Options: Nell, Lucky, Astragon, a boy. Next, answer is Nell. Nell is not appear Waiting for the Godot. Rest of the characters play role in Waiting for Godot.